Did you know that a professional predicts a doubling of Tesla stock? Right now, investors can't decide whether to purchase or sell Tesla stock. Even if it is currently trading below 200, a few of analysts are still bullish on the top EV company stock. This is one that you most definitely don't want to miss. Ross Gerber tweeted on November 16th, saying that most people completely misunderstand how deep Tesla's moats are. He listed 3 enormous moats: technology, experience, software, autonomy, scale in battery manufacture, and charging stations. Ross leads Gerber Kawasaki Wealth and Investment Management as president and CEO, in addition to being a co-founder. In addition to serving individual clients, Ross is in charge of Gerber Kawasaki's corporate and investment management operations. He has emerged as one of the most significant investors in both traditional and social media. He has been a regular on several of the most well-liked investing podcasts and on worldwide business news thanks to his investment ideas and guidance. He frequently appears on Fox Business, Yahoo Finance, CNN, CNBC, Bloomberg, Reuters, and Cheddar TV. He has been on a number of the most well-known podcasts, such as the Pumped Podcast, Dave Portnoy Show, Meet Kevin, Hyperchange TV, and many more. As of January 3rd, 2022, Ross and the Gerber Kawasaki team will be in charge of $2.2 billion in investments for the business and its clients, with a concentration on sustainable energy and transportation, consumer discretionary, media, and entertainment industries. Get an additional $10, register and fund your account with any amount on Moomoo. This exclusive bonus is being offered in honor of Moomoo's 10th anniversary. Take a look at the following link. Moomoo is an excellent stock trading platform with a plethora of innovative, user-friendly capabilities. Many of you will likely find it extremely beneficial, particularly if you wish to take a more active role in your finances. Determine the best timing to buy and sell stocks, for instance. In the description below, there is a link. Gerber tweeted a few days ago saying, "Your holiday gift is a Tesla under 200 in response to Gerber's message, Jerry Avenue." Another Twitter user stated that the latter had also stated this when the price was $900 before splitting. Gerber responded, "Yeah, I liked it below 300, so I love it now. It seems to be worth $420. This suggests that the CEO of Gerber Kawasaki believes Tesla stock is worth more than twice as much as it is at the moment. The share price of Tesla is currently $183.17. Gerber referred to Tesla as the king of EV transition in 2021. As an investor, I'm quite delighted to have this chance. With Tesla once more, Ross Gerber stated to Yahoo Finance in the later half of 2021, he persisted in his forecast that 2022 will see an incredible run for Tesla. When you look at what Tesla's done, they've advanced the sustainable transportation, which is their mission. Gerber stated, "Inflation can be prevented when you consider the demand for electric cars during the sharp increase in oil costs." It's electric, adds Gerber. Ross Gerber is a loyal supporter of Tesla, despite the many problems that still beset the company, most notably Musk's recent takeover of Twitter. Since Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, revealed in early April that he had acquired stock in Twitter, the company's shares had fallen by 50%. The pressure has increased since Musk revealed his investment in Twitter, as sales of his own Tesla shares have reached a total of $20 billion. In addition, Tesla is presently dealing with an increasing number of difficulties, such as regulatory investigations into the company's statements on the capabilities of its autopilot driving assistance system in the US and worries about demand in China. According to Gene Munster, managing partner at venture capital company Loop Venture, Tesla investors are going to be frustrated. He's probably going to spend more time on Twitter than any Tesla investor feels comfortable about, Munster stated. He opines that Twitter will be the focus of Musk's attention for the next 6 to 12 months, noting that Tesla was a more advanced business than it had been in the past and less dependent on Musk right away. It seems that Musk is carrying over his early Tesla business methods into his present role as Twitter's CEO. 2018 saw Musk sleeping at Tesla factories in Nevada and California and working through the night as the business struggled to increase Model 3 output. Musk stated a few days prior that he had spent the entire night working at Twitter's San Francisco headquarters and that he intended to remain there until the social media network was fixed. Musk has revealed that the purchase of Twitter has resulted in a major increase in his workload. During a live hookup to a business conference in Indonesia on Monday, Elon Musk declared, "I have too much work on my plate," adding that he works 7 days a week from dawn to night. During the Barron Investment Conference earlier this month, Musk stated, "Once Twitter is set on the right path, I think it's a much easier thing to manage than SpaceX or Tesla being a self-described nano manager." Musk's reputation for working long hours during stressful situations is well established. Nonetheless, some Tesla investors are concerned about his ability to concentrate on his work as CEO of the most valuable automaker in the world given his extended endeavor at Twitter following a drawn-out takeover that he attempted to scrap. In light of this, prominent Musk admirer and Tesla investor Ross Gerber stated that the company ought to appoint a deputy for its multitasking CEO. I believe he's now at a place where he's truly pushing himself. Barron's felt that the Tesla CEO needed the kind of executive that he hasn't used much in the past. I think they need to find the right person, and quite frankly, they just don't have that person, Barron's said. He most likely requires a reliable public relations and marketing specialist at this stage. If Musk doesn't make changes, Tesla shareholders may have more suffering in store, the American monthly magazine Barron's, published by Dow Jones and Company, stated. CEO Ross Gerber responded to Elon Musk's decision to abandon his effort to take Tesla Inc. private in a recent Bloomberg piece. He had a conversation about Bloomberg markets with Lisa Abramowitz and Carolyn Hyde there. Gerber said in the interview that Musk made the right choice in keeping Tesla public. Ross Gerber stated in the middle of October that he thinks any shift in the monetary policy of the U.S. Federal Reserve will cause the stock market to rise. According to Gerber, the market is already pricing in a recession at a 2% drop in earnings, which supports his theory. But given what the Fed has been doing, it is hard to be bullish right now, Gerber tweeted. In the end, the American economy is still doing fairly well in the greatest game in the world. The Federal Reserve must manage for growth since both China and Germany are experiencing recessions, he added, and it is evident that inflation is slowly but steadily declining. Nevertheless, Gerber pointed out that since policy effects take 6 to 12 months to materialize in the economy, the Fed must wait and observe lest it make a mistake. November election might be fascinating with softer figures and easier comparisons. The Fed blinks when, for they alone will bear the blame if they screw up, America, tweeted Gerber. Gerber stated in a recent tweet, if anything, the risk is clearly to recession and deflation. But the Fed is still focusing on summer data analysis and is not considering Winter Powell and the Fed are essentially awful. On a different subject, Musk's dedication to SpaceX and multiple smaller businesses has drawn criticism from the Tesla board. According to court documents related to Musk's salary trial, Tesla board chair Robin Denholm stated in a 2018 email that the limited amount of time Musk was spending at Tesla was becoming increasingly worrisome. According to a stakeholder in Tesla, the board erred in accepting his $56 billion compensation deal without requiring his undivided attention. Ira Aaron Price, another board member, stated during the trial that Musk was compensated for output rather than labor, a sentiment that Musk repeated in a 2021 deposition. In response to a query concerning key man risk, Musk acknowledged his coworkers during Tesla's annual meeting in August and of Tesla, he stated. Tesla stock has been smashed by Musk, accomplishing what the bears have been trying unsuccessfully for years, according to a note last week from longtime bull Daniel Ives. While Ross Gerber shares some worries about Musk's current situation, he is nevertheless upbeat about the business as a whole. Gerber's opinion of Tesla is still optimistic. As he put it in a tweet on November 15th, I love Tesla more than ever. Ensure that you subscribe to this channel so that you can enjoy twice as much content about Tesla stock.